Hey guys, today we're going to make some chicken quesadillas, super easy, on the Char-Griller Flat Iron. Be right back. All right, we have first 3 burners on high, last burner's off right now. Throw down some oil for the chicken. It's just olive oil. And these are just little chicken tenderloins. Gonna move them around a little bit. What I've found is you let them cook a little bit, they're gonna be a lot easier to cut up. We're not going to cut them up like crazy. But just so they're small enough to fit inside the quesadillas. Right now I'm just kind of spacing them out. Make sure everybody gets a turn. Put some pepper on. And a little bit of salt. As you can see, they're starting to cook up pretty quickly. You see the white at the bottom there? So I'm going to flip them around. We're going to apply a little more salt and pepper. Now that they've started to cook a little bit, you can take your scraper or your putty knife thing. See how easy it is to cut now? And just go through and make them size however you want. I'm cutting up a little bit small. Woo! There goes that one. Once you have them all cut up, kind of mix them around. Again, make sure everybody gets a turn. Try to do like a single file, I do. Still see some pink around in here. All right, they've been going for a little bit here. Use your judgment. Take one of the thick guys, cut him in half and see what he looks like. So they're just about finished up. So this is high, this is high. I just turned this one to medium because I'm going to scoot the chicken over here. This one over here is off. It's not cold though. So what'll happen here, bring them all over here, keep warm. Now we got the next fun part. Throw a little oil down, keep things nice. All right, we've got a couple different sizes. We've got the tortilla wraps, and then we've got the larger burrito wraps. So let's work on the burrito ones. And I'm going to change this down to about medium. So what you want to do, throw these couple of these guys down. Medium, 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 off. So we're still going to brown them up a little bit, soften them up. Don't tear them like I just did. All right, now you can start putting your toppings on. I start off with some cheese all over. We're just using cheddar. Use whatever cheese you want. Now today we're just using, they're just going to be cheddar and chicken. But now's when you would want to put on, I don't know if you had peppers, onions, tomatoes, any of that. So we're going to put some of these chicken pieces just on the one side. Woo! A couple more on here. While we have the cheese handy, I'm going to throw a little bit more on. Now we're just going to fold it over, press down firmly so the cheese acts as a glue. Flip that guy over. That's it. Let me make some more of these and we'll cut them up. All right, we're ready to cut into this guy. Hear the crunching. Got the good stuff in there. That's really good and really easy. And really hot. So, you saw how easy it was. Again, you could put tomatoes, mushrooms, peppers, onions, whatever you want. Just put it on there, put the cheese, fold it over, flip it a couple times, make sure it's nice and melted inside. And then you got a bunch of happy people. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up down below there. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.